Are you planning to travel to France in 2025 and need to fill out your visa application? You are in the right place. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to complete the France visa application from online, ensuring a smooth process for your upcoming trips. Start by visiting the official website for the France embassy or consulate in your country. Download the appropriate long stay visa application form for 2025. Before diving in, carefully read all instructions provided with the form. This will help you to understand the requirements and avoid common pitfalls. Accurately enter your full name, date of birth, nationality, contact details. Double check for any errors as incurrencies can delay your application. Provide your passport number, date of issue and expiration, where it was issued. This information is crucial for processing your application. Specify why you are traveling to France, whether for tourism, business, studies, or other reason. Be clear and concise. Indicate how long you pay to stay and plan to stay and you intend to arrive and departure date. This helps authorities understand your travel plans. If traveling with family members, include their details and your relationship to them. Answer question about previous visit to France or other Schengen countries to provide context about your travel background. Demonstrate how you will support yourself during your stay by providing bank statement or employment details. Attach necessary documents such as proof of accommodation, travel insurance, and flight itinerary. After filling out the form and gathering documents, submit your application through the Design Visa Center as outlined on the France Visa portal. Once submitted, keep track of your application status through the France Visa website. Remember that processing times can vary, typically taking a minimum of 10 days for short stay visas and up to a month for long stay visas. By following these steps carefully, you will be well on your way to enjoying everything France has to offer in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels.